Now, tonight is a celebration of memories made with family and friends, and of course the time to say farewell to some friends you may have met along the way. Now, speaking of friends, I think there's some special friends who'd love to come and say one final hello and farewell. So without further ado, please welcome Minnie, and all of our friends on decks 3, 4, and 5. Now, folks, our friends are going to be out for the next 15 minutes to get any last-minute photographs, autographs, and, of course, a cuddle before our final farewell moments. We'll see you real soon, everyone.
Did you have a good time on this cruise? Excellent. Did you have more fun with the heroes or the villains? The heroes, you think you're a villain fan? Yes, you're the villains. Villains, yes. What's your name, my friend? Chip. Chip's with the villains. So Chip's like the villain. And what's your name? Blair likes the heroes, and you're kind of in between, yes? Yes, I see. Hello, nice to see you, friends. Nice to see you.
Oh, gamble. Is that really necessary?
Well, we have reached the end of this story, so I think we should go out on a high note. Gather round, folks. Come join us, friends.
Let's finish our story and see how it ends. Travelers all on a journey at sea,
Who are seeking adventure and their destiny.
with help from their mystical
And lovable guides. They found heroes and villains.
Oh, and lots more besides. Who here found themselves inspired by a hero on this journey? Yes, my friend Haley, I know that you were inspired. What do you think makes a hero? Yes, the strength of their heart, indeed. And you know, to be a hero, you don't always have to save the world. Just make it a little better.
Now, who will admit to straying off the path of it this cruise? Who participated in some villainy? Quite a few of you. Color me surprised. Except for you, Chip. We were all expecting that. Yes. Did you have fun with the villains? Yes. Yes, I knew you would. I knew you would.
Yes, our path towards destiny is a winding one. There are always challenges along the way, but there are also opportunities to be inspired by great heroes.
For a true hero isn't measured by the size of their strength.
There is always something in between. And Chip, did you find what you were looking for?
Did I?